first graders. For today's activity, we are going to be adding 3 addends. At the top it says Autumn Edition. So, if this were my paper, I would put 2 of them together. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Now we're done with those. And now what's 5 plus 4? That would be 9. Okay? So you can use manipulatives to help you, your blocks, or your fingers, or counting on if that's a strategy that would work. Okay, if you know your doubles, what would 5 plus 5 be? 10, right? Oh, I can use counting on. Put 10 in your head, 1 on your finger. 10, 11. That one is 11. And then we'll do one more together. So if you know your facts to 10, you'll know that 6 plus 4 is 10, and 4 plus 6 is 10. I can add in any order. So I can count on again. 10 in my head, 2 on my fingers, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so you're going to finish that, okay? And then on the back, you have a fun little chart, and it says, write the missing numbers. So I would go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then where am I going to go? Right over here to 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Where would I go again? Over here. 21, 22. I see a pattern. My 10s are getting bigger, and my 1s stay the same. Okay? So, then, after you fill out this whole thing, then it says count by 2s and color the two boxes blue. So I'd go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Count by 2s. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then you'll keep doing that. Okay, so that's blue. And then it says color the 5s yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they both have, it'll probably turn green if you color it, because those two together are green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's what you'll do for the entire math for the entire page. And then let me add these. So that's 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Okay, so you might see a pattern. Okay, everyone, we'll go over that tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.